In this video, I want to discuss another student model of the level 1 critique being green at Ben & Jerry's. This is a very strong example here. I want you first to notice the copious length. I never get the impression that this student is at a loss for what to write, alright? He or he goes to my minimum and beyond. Very good, alright? And see in the second part, 2 paragraphs here and a nice length, and then I get the works cited that I asked for, basically okay. Alright, so from just at a glance, look at how it opens. I get the name of the article, the name of the author, the venue of the publication. When I look at the next section here of, I see that the evaluative voice comes out strong. I don't believe, let's see, I feel as though I could have come, okay. I've been giving though, if we raise the price, I see a lot of the personal pronouns I'm asking for because I need to make sure that I get the student's voice coming out here, the author's voice, the I say part. This is what I think, this is what I believe about this, this is my objective opinion about what Will said, and I see that quite a bit. I never am tempted to think otherwise as I read the second part, the evaluation. Notice that the evaluation, starting from right here, is longer than the summary. That's a good sign in a critique. So I see all the signs that this is a strong piece of writing. Now let's actually look how the summary was done. The article written by George Will and here is about the need for the U.S. to drill for and use energy reserves and to cut back on buying the energy products from places like Iraq. He brings up the ANWR, which could produce this amount, okay, but the U.S. can't drill there because of a legislation. Will talks about how many environmentalists or politicians are against the idea of drilling, but they offer no solution for the U.S. needs, such as windmills or other green. Okay, Will mentions how politics play a large role in how the U.S. deals with energy production and consumption. Why not increase energy production, he says. Why not decrease energy consumption? The answer is no. A legislator wants America to come down on them when there is $1. Okay. So all of this, I think this student is hitting it right on the mark. You know, Will is trying to say that many politicians that push the green ticket are in fact hypocritical. And the one thing I need to see here, okay, is more parenthetical citation. I need you to actually anchor it in paragraphs into the text. So if you, this is the one thing that would keep this from a 4. I think I would give it a 3.9. It's so strong in other areas, but I do need to see that parenthetical citation. And in this case, you would have to count paragraphs, but it's what needs to be done. Now, I have no problem at all with the evaluation. Again, if you want to read this, I would expand it and look at it, pause the video and look at it. But very well done. The one thing that needs improvement again is the parenthetical citation, so this would be a 3.9.